Friends, my name is Sanjeev Singh and I am a training manager in a pharmaceutical company. I have been associated with Chegg since 2017 and I am completing almost 5 years and I really enjoying my work with Chegg. I think midnight 12 to 8 am in the morning is the best time to solve maximum questions. I try to answer only fresh answers every time, each and every time, because I don't believe in copying from other sources like internet, and I take references from books, but every time I write fresh answers. I do not copy even my previous answers. So that is why I manage the plagiarism and all. If I don't know the answer, I do not attempt this question, but when I go for research, I only cross-check myself that my answer is right or wrong. I do not copy from other sources like online and some books. So this is the way I answer the questions. For new joinees, I would recommend that answer in the time frame from 12 am to 8 am in the morning, and they should not use plagiarism. They should avoid this, and they should not copy answers from other sources, and they should be active whole day so that they can earn more money.